Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best brow products on the market, the LA Girl Brow Bestie Triangular Auto Pencil in Chestnut. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-use eyebrow pencil that gives you perfectly shaped brows every time, this is the product you need in your beauty routine. This brow pencil features a unique triangular tip that makes it super simple to fill, shape, and define your brows. The slanted edge of the pencil allows for precise lines, while the wider side lets you fill in your brows quickly and effortlessly. When it comes to performance, this pencil truly shines. The formula is lightweight yet highly pigmented, so a little goes a long way. It's designed to stay in place all day, and it's water-resistant, sweat-proof, and fade-resistant, perfect for long days or nights out. Whether you have thin or thick brows, the Brow Bestie will keep them looking defined and flawless, no matter the weather. The chestnut shade is a rich, warm brown that complements a wide range of hair colors, from brunettes to those with red tones. It's a great shade for achieving a natural, yet bold brow look that frames your face beautifully. Plus, it's cruelty-free, vegan, and free from parabens, making it a product you can feel good about using. What I really love about this pencil is how easy it is to use. Whether you're a brow beginner or a seasoned pro, the LA Girl Brow Bestie Triangular Auto Pencil is user-friendly. The built-in spoolie makes it simple to blend and perfect your brow shape, and the smooth application means no streaks or harsh lines. This pencil gives you the precision you need for those sharp, defined brows, while still allowing for a soft and natural finish. So, if you're looking for an affordable, high-performance eyebrow pencil that delivers on both precision and long-lasting results, the LA Girl Brow Bestie Triangular Auto Pencil in Chestnut should definitely be your go-to. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, and subscribe to Product Critique for more beauty product reviews. See you in the next video.